Hello everyone, welcome to another Udemy tutorial video. Today in this tutorial video, I will show you how to download videos on Udemy. Now keep in mind that you cannot download videos on Udemy without using a third-party software. However, in this video, I will not condone any third-party softwares because Udemy does not actually allow users to download videos through third-party softwares. Well, you want to basically go, and obviously you can use third-party softwares to download Udemy videos. However, I'm not going to be showing those in this video. So in order to download videos on Udemy, what you can do is you can go on a lecture. So if download lecture is not grayed out like this right here, then you will be able to download it to your computer by clicking on those two words. Now keep in mind, like due to certain platform security measures, the ability to download a lecture video on computer may not be available for all the courses. So keep that in mind. Now you want to go down here and on settings, you will see download lecture. So once you click download lecture, you will be able to download the entire lecture to your computer. Now again, keep in mind, this will not be available for all the courses. Now, if the video is taking too long to download, then, if the lecture is enabled for download to your computer, but it's taking too long, then please test your internet connection and make sure that you're downloading at a good speed of the internet. So this is the only way how you can currently download videos from Udemy to your computer legally. You can't use any third-party apps because that is what Udemy forbids. So if you have any questions or maybe, comments, you can comment down below and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.